What's up? It's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. All right, Lori of Denver, Colorado. It wasn't until a catastrophic hailstorm that I realized how vulnerable I was having this insurance company as my insurance carrier. My roof was destroyed. My roof prior to the hailstorm consisted of space decking and 3 layers of roofing material. The original shake shingles from 1941 and 2-layer asphalt shingles. The insurance company would only cover removal or replacement of the top layer of the shingles. Okay, so this might be something that the insurance companies are right on. Probably not. Okay, like a 1% chance, 1 out of 100 times. So 99 times out of 100 they're not right. But it also depends on policy and a lot of other things that go into this, okay? Let's see. Would only remove the top layer of the shingles, even though the roofing company provided documentation that in order for the warranty to be valid on a new roof, they'd have to strip everything off, redeck the roof, and start fresh with a new layer of asphalt shingles. Every house in the neighborhood that was insured by someone other than this insurance company had their roofs completely repaired with no questions. Only those of us, okay, us, multiple people with this insurance company, had to endure shabby treatment and substandard coverage. It's unfortunate, but this is what happens, is a lot of times a certain insurance company will write more policies in that same area, which means they're gonna take a bigger loss, which means they pay fewer claims, which means they also diminish more claims or underpay more claims, which means your claim might not get paid, which means if I keep going this direction, I'm gonna go out of the frame. This is it though, really? Like, come on, insurance company, pay claims. That's what you're here for. And trust me, insurance companies are one of like the top 5 most profitable corporations in the world, okay? They have made billions and billions and billions of dollars of profit every year, all while convincing government agencies that, oh, we poor insurance companies are taking such a huge loss this year. Yeah, you might be this year, but what about the 10 years prior and the 10 years in the future, right? You might be taking it this year as a loss, okay? But what about the 10 years prior, okay? But nobody asks these questions. You want to know why? It's a story for a different time. I'll have to tell you some other time. But if you have a commercial property, an industrial property, a residential, a multifamily, commercial warehouse space, a medical building, and you need help with an insurance claim, or if you're a contractor that knows your insurance client is getting screwed over, or if you're a property manager that needs help, contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.